Welcome back to another Essence Motorsports YouTube video. My name is Jake, and behind me we have this brand new Mercedes C63S. And yes, as you can tell, it has the factory matte black paint. We haven't done anything to it yet, but we want to show you guys a little bit about what the Stealth PPF does. So we're doing full Xpel Stealth PPF, and a lot of people ask, you know, is it going to change the look of my matte paint, or is it going to affect it, damage it, anything like that? And actually, Xpel designed Stealth for matte painted vehicles to begin with, and then shops, and you know, they've adapted it to where you could wrap the edges and do full cars and make it look matte. But it was actually designed specifically for matte painted vehicles. So for this particular car, we're doing the full body, which is what we typically recommend for a matte painted car. For those people that have matte painted cars, hopefully you haven't had to experience this, but typically if a panel gets damaged or needs to get repainted, it either turns into the full side or sometimes the full vehicle needs to get repainted. So it can be a very expensive process, especially with a matte painted car. But that's why we usually recommend doing this. This customer is smart, is getting it done right away. This car has about 30 miles on it, so it's brand new. And we're also doing window tint on it. So we're not doing the windshield, but we're doing the two front doors, and we're doing the rear window in Xpel Prime XR Plus. But we want to show you guys this car before we do the work on it, and then we're going to show you after. And it's going to look pretty much exactly the same, of course, with the film on top. So we hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, we just finished up a bunch of work on this brand new Corvette Z06. So we're going to be walking through, showing you guys kind of what we did. We did the full front end paint protection film, so hood fenders, front bumper, headlights. We actually held off on the mirrors. He's waiting to get carbon fiber mirrors from Corvette. Then we're going to do those afterwards, but I wanted to show you guys, we did all of the carbon accents as well on the front end, and all of the black plastic accents to make sure those are all covered. Another pretty cool thing is this Corvette, or the Z06, has the carbon fiber wheel option, which we thought looked pretty cool. Another thing we did on this car is we coated the full interior. So as you guys can see, he got a pretty special interior. So we went ahead and cleaned everything, cleaned all the carpets, and then we ceramic coated everything red, all of the carbon inside. Everything's all done. So yeah, we hope you guys enjoy.